Hi there, this is my way of converting a 2D image into a 3D mesh. It's very simple, but it works best if you have a black and white image. You need a top, side, and front view. And if you like this video, please subscribe. So first off, you open this in GIMP, and then you use the fuzzy select tool, and you click on the white background, and it's gonna outline all the images of the cars here. And then you do select to path, so you convert this selection to a path that you can see here by hiding the layer. And then you're going to export this path to an SVG file that we can import in Blender as a curve. So export, just add the SVG extension, you save that, and that's it. That's all I have to do in GIMP. Now we switch to Blender, delete the default scene, go to the top view, and then we import the SVG file we just saved from GIMP. So now that we have the outline, we're going to scale it up, and then we're going to apply the scaling just out of habit, but we have to reapply the scaling back when it's a mesh. And now we convert the curve to a mesh. We go into edit mode, we select all, and we separate by loose parts. It's going to create 5 distinct meshes in our case. Delete the rectangle, we don't need it, and then we're going to reassign the origin to the center of each mesh. I deleted one of the front views, what it was front and back view. They were almost identical, so I don't need both. Then I'm going to rotate each of the faces along its proper axis. And then we move them out of the way of the imaginary cube where the car will be, or the mesh will appear in the end. So this first one, the side view, I'm going to call it car. It's going to be our final mesh. This is the front view. I'm just extruding and adding thickness, and so that they overlap, all 3 of them overlap the other 2. Then we're going to align the meshes as much as we can, just to make sure that they fit. Once that's done, we select the car and we add 2 booleans, and we intersect and use the fast method, select the top, the front, and there you have it. Now you have the 3D mesh. It's got errors, like there's a hole here, but then you just grab the mesh and you move it. In this case, I'm just moving it up and down the Z-axis until it's perfect. There are no holes anymore. Once I'm satisfied with that, that's it. It's done. You apply the booleans, and there you go. There you have it.